The quest for free energy has for generations. Among the various alternative energy sources, the concept of an earth battery, sometimes associated with the mysterious ether field, has captured the imagination of many. This essay explores the earth battery as a potential source of electrostatic energy and delves into the intriguing connection between high voltage, forbidden materials, and the ether field in the context of free energy generation. The earth battery is an electrostatic source of ether. Earth batteries, as the name suggests, harness energy from the earth itself. They are often considered electrostatic sources of energy generating voltage that is typically low, sometimes even extremely low. However, there are instances where inventive minds have combined special metals to create high-voltage earth batteries in small cells. A notable example is Nathan Stubblefield's earth battery, which demonstrated the potential to generate substantial voltage from the earth. Conspiracy theories have suggested that certain banned materials, such as red gold and radioactive substances, play a role in tapping into the mysterious ether field to create electrical energy. The architectural marvels attributed to the Tartarian Empire are cited as evidence of this concept. These structures, believed by some to be generators of free energy from the ether, fuel the intrigue surrounding forbidden materials and their energy potential. Creating high voltage from earth batteries. Despite the complexities associated with the ether field and forbidden materials, the process of creating high voltage from an earth battery is not inherently difficult. Earth batteries, like standard batteries, are bipolar devices that produce low voltage direct current, DC. When these battery cells are connected in series, the voltages accumulate. In essence, creating high voltage from an earth battery is akin to connecting regular batteries, such as 12 volts batteries, in series to generate higher voltage. For example, connecting two 12 volts batteries in series yields a total voltage of 12 plus 12 equals 24 volts. Numerous inventors have explored the realm of earth batteries, each presenting different cell voltages corresponding to their inventions. These diverse innovations offer various voltage options to cater to specific needs and applications. The significance of capacity in earth batteries. While voltage is a crucial parameter, it is not the sole factor in evaluating the performance of an earth battery. Capacity, often measured in ampere-hours, watt-hours, Wh, represents the battery's ability to store and deliver electrical energy over time. All electrical devices, regardless of voltage, must align with the technical specifications of the capacity required for efficient operation. The relationship between voltage, V, and current, is expressed as P equals VI, watts. Thus, achieving a high-capacity earth battery necessitates the creation of multiple earth battery cells. These cells can be connected in parallel to increase overall capacity, ensuring that the battery can deliver sufficient power for connected devices to function efficiently. Safety and convenience in earth batteries. Safety is paramount in electrical systems. Lower voltage levels are generally safer to work with, as they reduce the risk of electrical shocks and other potential hazards. Consequently, maintaining a relatively low voltage is advisable when using an earth battery to power devices. The conversion of DC electricity from the battery into alternating current, AC, for most household devices typically requires the use of an inverter. This device not only facilitates the conversion but also plays a pivotal role in increasing the voltage from a few dozen volts to several hundred volts if needed. Conclusion. The earth battery remains a subject of fascination in the pursuit of free energy. While it may not be necessary to rely on forbidden materials or tap into the enigmatic ether field, the concept of creating high voltage from earth batteries is well within reach. By understanding the importance of capacity alongside voltage, and by prioritizing safety and convenience, we can harness the potential of earth batteries to power our devices sustainably. The path to free energy may not be as mysterious as once thought, but it remains an exciting journey of exploration and innovation.